Good morning and welcome to our Pilgrims of Hope, especially those who are first-timers. An old lady was dying and she wanted to see and speak to the parish priest. So the parish priest came over and the lady said to the parish priest, "Father, when I die, I would like you to put a small fork in my hand, tinidor." So the parish priest was wondering, why? Normally, when somebody dies, a rosary is put in her or his hand. Diba? Pinuputol nga yun ng iba eh. Pag ililibing na, mali yun. No? Hindi dapat putulin ang rosary. Anyway, that's good for another homily. No? But, so, the parish priest asked the lady, why? Why would you want to hold a fork when you die in your coffin? The lady smiled and said, "You know, Father, when I was young, my mother, when we were eating, would always tell us, 'Keep your fork. The best is yet to come.'" Meaning that after the meal, after the main course, follows the dessert. The dessert. And of course, young children like the dessert more than the meal. So, that is the explanation of the old lady. When I die, the best is yet to come. I think that is the very answer of Jesus to those who don't believe, like the Sadducees, that there is a resurrection of the dead. For the Sadducees, when you die, that's it. When you die here on earth, that's it. There is nothing more that awaits a man or a woman when he dies. But Jesus said, no. The best is yet to come. Isipin nyo na lang, kapag namatay tayo, merong naghihintay sa ating buhay na mas mainam. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, "The children of this age marry and remarry, but those who are deemed worthy to attain to the coming age and to the resurrection of the dead neither marry nor are given in marriage." Sabi ng Panginoon, dito sa mundong ito, ang tao nag-aasawa. Sa kabilang buhay, wala ng pag-aasawa. Wow! Siguro sabi ng iba, ay salamat, hindi ko na rin makikita yung walang hiya kong asawa sa kabilang buhay. No? But Jesus added something else. They can no longer die, but they are like angels, and they are the children of God. And that is the best thing that will happen after this life here on earth. Alam nyo, pag ako'y nagmimisa sa patay, sinasabi ko madalas, ngayon po, yung mahal ninyo sa buhay, nasa piling na ng Diyos. At doon, wala ng hirap, wala ng lungkot, wala ng sakit, wala ng karamdaman, sapagkat titignan na lamang niya ang Diyos magpasawalang hanggan. The best is yet to come. Kaya, mga minamahal kong kapatid, let us enjoy our life here on earth. Okay, let us enjoy. Kumain ng masarap, pero kontrol lang. Mamasyal, makapiling ninyo ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Let us enjoy life here on earth. But let us not forget, the best is yet to come. Amen.